So today we got some drainage going on. So it's been done up to this point on this side of the house for a bit, and around the back. They continued on down here this week. We got the bottom cemented, so they had to sandbag it up. So got all this done. Gonna have to weld up some grates, paint them. As it goes outside, the track for the gate that'll be built next. Here's where it comes out. Did that a bit ago. They did this portion when they did the driveway. So they've been working on down here where it comes out on the other side of the house. And then they did a lot of ditch digging today. It's 8-inch pipe. I don't know what it is. PVC, ABS. It's orange instead of black or white like in the States. So they dug a trench all the way down here. Have been putting the pipe in and burying it back in. I think this is a clean out access, or is it just a piece of pipe sitting here? No, it's just a piece of pipe sitting there. There's a clean out here. It continues to dig down the road. It's getting hot this time of year. I don't know, maybe there'll be a clean out here, but I think this is where they're going to shoot it across at a 45-degree angle to the main drainage. It's already here. It goes out to the... Maybe I'll take a ride out and show you where this runs off to. But it goes down this road and out the side there. Let's see what we got going on today for construction. Mixing up more cement. Putting a header on the fence. Loud out here. Rain is done. Yeah, they're going to pour the header to raise up the fence. All right, away from the noise. Okay. So you can see they're mixing cement. They pulled off the top part of the fence, the metal part. They're let me show you what I don't like. I've mentioned this before. I don't like the pattern of how it goes up and then goes back down. So they're cutting them so they go straight across before they put them back on. So that's what they're working on, and they're raising the fence up the width of that header, and they're going to put 2 more cinder blocks. I think another smaller header on the top. As you can see, I showed you where they were digging the ditch and working on the drain. It's all connected and reburied, so here's one of the clean outs here. We gotta make lids for them. Another one. Can't tell if that one's done. There's some cinder blocks there. Anyhow, they did dig. And connected into that. So that's what they got going on today over there. Working on the fence and the gate, and next will be the drainage before rainy season. That'll be coming soon. That's why they got the drain put in. Finish up the fence for the carport's at, and then they'll be putting a new front gate on. So stay tuned. All right, here we are. It's been 2 days since I filmed. Let's give a little update on the carport and the fence and the gate. Check it out. My niece and her husband's car, Nissan Expander, nice condition. Sister-in-law's trike, they got the panels for the gate so the dogs can't see out and bark. This is the bottom of the gate, that's the top. The sliding gate. There's our welder with his welder. Alright, let's do a sweep of this new fancy fence. There's the new wall with the bars that go up to the top of the carport. I got that for airflow. The workers are eating dinner, and then they'll be heading home. Their shift is over. Tomorrow's Sunday. They're not working. Oh. There you have it. A fancy new section of the fence. This one goes up there. And of course I filmed this. They still gotta put some on the posts. Some, you know, smooth it and stuff. So it's finished down to the chicken coops, which are disassembling now. That's why we got the chicken ranch to move them all over. It looks like they're disassembling it. I saw them raking the stuff out of it earlier. Let's see if there's even any chickens left. Well, we got one rooster, a rooster and a chicken. 3. I guess they're trying to mate those. Four, 5. Six. That one's still here. 7. So you have 6 chickens and 1 fighting cock. 7 birds left and a bunch of chicks in a box. After they get the front fence and the gate done, They'll be working on the railing up here. And of course the finishing work on the carport, the smoothing, the concrete so it can be painted. I think we're going to do some gardening up here. Up on the top. Whoa. Don't want to fall off. There's a top-down view of the driveway. These posts used to cover the dirty kitchen wash area before we built the, I call it the warehouse, which encompassed the dirty kitchen at one end, and the warehouse was all new. And I mentioned the baby chicks. They had some chicks hatched last week. Let me stop this for a minute and we'll fire it back up in the baby chicks. Alright, here's the chicks. There's 2 dozen of them in there. I think they were born like last week. Anyhow, that's the machine they were in. They can hold 36. I think we had 35 in it. And 9 didn't hatch. And like one, its insides were on its outside. It was defective, and another one drowned in the water bowl. So yeah, Kevin, Red Living Philippines. Thumbs up, thumbs down, leave a comment, subscribe. Have a good day.